En cuadro de transparencia, nos llama encuentro aquí con prensa, sobre que nos está enormemente importante que el pueblo que ayuda mayornan para por 13 patologo para por hasi su trabajo riba culpa de defunto hoben Michael Pequeiro Valdez, que manejo portava essa corda dia 24 de outubro, a Warda di morto em cel na Shaba. Mas que 4 semanas depois que a jovem morto em cel, nenhum gente duna cara na mayornan, nenhum gente splica mayornan, lo qual que passa. Nós atumaremos nos meses com a ajuda do pueblo de Aruba por a 13 Dr. Frank de Groot Aruba para por a hasi autopsia e esse é o lugar ayer.
Mi abogado llega 13 Dr. Frank aquí en Aruba para darnos más claridad. Arriba aquí lugar nos está hopi agradecer y nos está pueblo de Aruba toda persona nan ku aduna mi man ora mi tata pidi toda mama nan ayudo mi taki nan pabisa nan danki ku boso nan ku a cooperar kumi ku por a 13 mi derecho dilante e claridad con mi ahaya sumolto den cel na Shaba.
Yesterday at 3 o'clock in the afternoon we did the investigation, internal and external. External, there was already a story about hanging in his cell. We found traces of hanging in his cell. We didn't find any trace of resistance, of a fight, of other injury. The internal investigation also revealed clear signs of a ligature around the neck, very broad, approximately 5 centimeters, could perfectly fit by the use of bed sheets as initially was told. We've got all the signs of asphyxiation due to a period of hanging with a ligature around the neck. I can assure, to my first opinion, that the preliminary results actually are consistent with hanging, and it appeared to be with absence of any sign of a fight or whatsoever, that it was done by the boy himself. There will be more results. I don't think they will change much in the main conclusion, but I'm pretty sure, okay, the cause of death might be asphyxiation, but the reason the entire hanging appeared, it's a completely different story. And I think, and I'm very glad, the relatives, the parents asked me to do this investigation, because if the stories are true, as told by many around me, then this entire situation should have never ever happened at all. That the boy apparently was so desperate to take his own life in a close situation.
Finally, no está by de leer, pero no está sigue con los casos. Pasó lo cual pasa en verdad, Kiko llega Mickey para tomar decisión de que su vida no está full clara ainda. Mi abogado también sigue, brinda esa y pasó nos que contesta si él jorca su culpa, Kiko a ponerle jorca su culpa. Pasó una persona, no está 3 horas y media, está jugando basquet, el día él la pase bon, entonces 4 horas él va para dentro, entonces después budum, la jorca su culpa. No está make sense. No está make sense. Entonces no está pidi el team de Shaba, please, si por tin algo en verdad que pasa, que pone mucho aquí, bien delante bisa nos. No está que da hopi agradeci si bisa, Kiko pone Miki en verdad a jorca su culpa.